what will be your suggestion to them? Why they should consider Salesforce? What is so great about it? And do they really look into Salesforce, or they should do something else? From your point of view, you tell us what they should do.
From my point of view, yes, Salesforce is a really good option. But I am not sure about Java or Python related job skills. So since I was total beginner to Salesforce and I was not much of a coding person. So as I started learning admin skills, I got really confident. And then that changed my mind to learn something in development skill as well. So for a fresher, yes, it's a really good option. And if you are, especially if you are not a coding person, you will definitely find interest in learning Apex or any other coding skill in Salesforce after learning your administration skill. Because within admin itself, you can get a lot of jobs nowadays. And learning development is always a plus point, and you have very great salaries in India or elsewhere in any part of the world.
Um, I don't know. I remember you used to do good development also. Though you are saying I'm not a coding person, but I remember you used to do fantastic LWC component, lot of triggers. So what do you say? Like, even somebody is not super great in development, still they can do decent level of development in Salesforce.
Yes, sir, definitely. So, as I said, once I got so much interest in Salesforce after learning the administration skills, I put my hands on learning development. And since we know the base is admin. So, we know the object, we know the fields, we know how to develop any kind of new LWC component or Visualforce page. So, by the complete understanding of the base, that is the administration, development was much easier for me. Yeah, it's easier to transition from a non-coding to coding background.
Wow. There's a guy called Rohit. I am sure you don't know him because it was there in previous, office where you never came. That was in Jayanagar ninth block.
Okay,
Rohit was a completely non-coding person, so
okay,
he joined us, and then he got a job as a developer in another company. And as like everybody, he is also doing extremely good. But he also said the similar kind of thing. Okay, so this is good. Now, if you can tell us little bit about your plan, about your future, what all things you want to achieve and how far you are close to it. So tell us about your, future journey.
yes, sir. So talking about my future journey, just now, some time ago, I already told you I'm planning to switch to Germany with my current Salesforce skill sets itself. So I'm looking on it for like 2 to 3 years, and then I want to start something like a Salesforce company or something on my off my
Wow,
own. You will be
excellent,
my
excellent.
inspiration, and if I need any sort of help or
Yeah,
any
yeah.
understanding, I'll definitely reach out to you.
Absolutely, Arun. I will tell you, the day you will take that initiative, now the biggest support you will get from me only, and we can collaborate for sure.
Yes,
Because today's world, if we all try to create the same thing, much faster we can run when we collaborate and do something together, right?
exactly.
So